All right, now that you have practiced your underhand rolling technique, you are going to put it to the test in a little drill that we will call underhand rolling target practice, okay? So, you can find different items that you have at home that are similar in size, okay? You will need 4 of those items. So, most of you probably don't have foam pins at your house, so you could find toilet paper rolls and put them next to each other. You could find paper towel rolls and put them next to each other. Maybe skinny boxes. Alright, so that's more for kindergarten, first grade. Second graders, I want you to challenge yourself and get a little bit smaller of a target. So why don't you try to find some plastic cups that you have at home, water bottles, something that are a little bit thinner, okay? Whichever you find at home, you're going to need 4 of those items. Then you will need 1 ball. Now I know a tennis ball is very bouncy, but when we let go of the ball, we are going to make sure that we keep it on the floor and roll it low, okay? So here's how the game will work. You will set up your 4 targets. So let's just pretend that right now I'm playing with some paper towel rolls. I line them up in a row. Then you're going to make a starting line or a rolling line. So I made mine with the poly dots about 15 feet away. Okay? Kindergarten, you can make it about 10 feet away. All right? First grade, why don't you make it 12 feet away? And then second grade, I want you to be at least 15. Now, you are going to roll from the line at the target. Level 1, you have 4 targets to aim at. Okay? You only need to knock down 1 of those targets in order to advance or move on to the next level. So, let's just practice here. I'll show you. Hopefully I can hit it on my first try. Tick, tock, step, and roll. Now, I knocked down 2. However, I only needed to knock down 1 in order to move on to level 2. Okay? So let's just pretend I knocked down 1. Level 2, you remove an item. So now there are 3 targets to pick from. I would go back, roll. If I miss, I'm going to go and pick the ball up. And then just get back behind my line. Okay, we're just target practicing right now. Normally I'd have you do some exercises to earn your next shot, but I want you just focusing on your accuracy. Okay? Then at my next roll, I knock down another item. I move on to level 3, which is only 2 items. Okay? If I roll a ball on level 3 and I knock down both pins, I still have to move on to level 4 in order to complete the game. Okay? So let's just say I rolled it and I knocked down 1 pin. Now level 4 is going to be the hardest level. You only have 1 item to knock down. Okay? A lot smaller of a target, a lot more difficult of this, and a lot better you will feel when you knock it down. Alright? So, same thing with cups. Second grade, I want you playing with cups or water bottles. Alright? All you gotta do is knock down at least 1 per round. You just gotta hit it. Okay? You move it out of place. I know these cups probably won't tip. Alright? Then I go back. I'm on level 2. I have 3 cups. I hit it. Go back. Roll again. I'm on level 3, 2 cups. And then finally level 4 is going to be the most difficult one because it's just the width of a tennis ball. Alright? So there you have it. Underhand rolling target practice. You need 1 ball, 4 similar items as targets, and 10 to 15 feet of space. Okay? Also, it helps when you have a little bit of a backstop, something behind you. If you want to play this with a sibling or your parents, okay, you can set up 2 games going on at once and turn it into a little competition, or you can always just take turns and give each other encouragement and positive feedback. Hope you guys enjoy this one, all right? This is just a basic one to start out with, and then I will introduce you soon to a fun game called skee ball. All right? Enjoy, Wolves. right, so as you can tell, not as easy as it looks once you get down to the last one, especially with the tennis ball. The biggest mistake I was making, I wasn't finished pointing at my target with probably my middle finger. Okay, I was kind of off to the left, to the right. All right, see if you can beat my turn. I'm not sure how many times that took me, but I'm sure you'll beat me.